Hey guys, it's good to have you back. Just imagine having a super smart coding buddy who never sleeps, never complains, and somehow knows every line of your code base. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, Anthropic might just be making a dream a reality. They've bundled the Cloudy Code AI directly into enterprise plans. And trust me, this is not just another boring tool, it could seriously change how teams write software. Curious? Let's break it down. So first thing first, what exactly is a Cloudy Code? Think of it as your AI copilot for coding. It can read massive projects, help debug tricky issues, refactor code, and even guide new team members around your project like a friendly tour guide. Basically, it's like having a senior developer you're actually like working with. No coffee breaks needed. And now Anthropic is making it easier for whole teams to access it at once. So instead of just one person getting the perks, everyone on your team can tap into it. Pretty neat, right? And I know that you're thinking, does it actually help or just sound cool? Well, let's dig into that deeper. Previously, the Cloudy Code was kind of like a solo adventure. You'd set it up on your account, fiddle with APIs, and hope everything synced properly. Not the most user-friendly experience, you think you should agree with me, but Anthropic listened. Now it's part of the enterprise package, which means businesses don't have to juggle separate subscriptions or complicated setups. One plan, one smooth workflow for your whole team. Imagine that, you log in once and boom, everyone's on the same page. No headaches, no awkward license sharing or something like that. And for managers, it's easier than ever to oversee who's using what without micromanaging every little thing. Sounds like a win-win, right? Okay, so let's also talk about the features. What's really exciting here? First up, the expanded context window. Basically, Cloudy Code can now handle bigger chunks of your code and even more complicated queries without losing track. Then there's native GitHub integration, so your repos sync automatically, meaning the code reviews and debugging are almost like magic. Security-wise, Anthropic didn't skimp. You've got single sign-on, role-based permissions, and also audit logs, so your team's work stays logged down tight. And for admins, centralized billing and user management makes it easy to track usage and the costs. Honestly, it's the kind of setup that makes you want to say, why did not we have this yesterday? Okay, let's make this more tangible. How could a team actually use Cloudy Code day to day? First, onboarding new developers becomes way smoother. Instead of spending days figuring out a code structure, dependencies, and best practices, Cloudy Code can give a friendly walkthrough. Think of it as a mentor who never gets tired explaining things. Then there's code-based navigation. Ever wasted hours hunting through thousands of lines of code? Cloudy Code can map out the whole project and highlight the key pieces. And when bugs pop up, it's like having a detective on a call. It can spot the root cause and suggest fixes. It's basically a Swiss Army knife for coders. And yes, it's as cool as it sounds. For teams, the benefits are obvious. Consistency, everyone is using the same tools and resources, so nothing gets lost in the translation. Efficiency, less time on the boring repetitive tasks, more time actually building things. And collaboration gets a boost too. Since everyone can interact with a Cloudy Code, team members can share solutions, insights, or even just get a second opinion without leaving their workspace. Imagine brainstorming with an AI teammate who never disagrees, never misses a detail, and always has the latest info. Pretty amazing, right? Of course, no AI is perfect. Some users have mentioned that context can get a bit fuzzy during long sessions. Basically, if you're working on a giant code project and keeping Cloudy Code running non-stop, it might need a quick reset now and then. Also, while it's a powerhouse, it works best in the hands of people who know how to code. It's a super tool, but it's not a replacement for critical thinking. Think of it like a high-end sports car, amazing when you know how to drive, but not exactly beginner-friendly. Looking forward, Anthropic isn't stopping there. They're constantly updating Cloudy Code, adding new features and deeper integrations. We can probably expect smarter debugging, tighter integrations with popular frameworks, and maybe even more predictive coding tools. For businesses, that means staying ahead of the curve, having an AI copilot that grows with you. And honestly, if you're a company thinking about scaling your development team, this could be a real game changer. It's like having a toolkit that gets better every month. So, to wrap things up, Claude Code in Anthropic's enterprise plans is a big step for developers and teams. Faster onboarding, better collaboration, smarter debugging. It's basically an AI teammate you can't fire. If you're curious about trying it out or thinking about what this could do for your workflow, now is the time to explore. And hey, if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more AI and tech updates. How do you think? Claude Code would change your day-to-day coding life? Drop your thoughts in below. I'd love to hear them.